SAPS takes action against officer accused of accepting a 2,000 rand bribe. The South African Police Service in Gauteng has launched disciplinary proceedings against a police officer accused of accepting a 2,000 rand bribe from a member of the public. The action follows the circulation of a viral social media video allegedly showing the officer, dressed in full SAPS uniform, returning the money after the alleged bribery incident came to light. SAPS confirmed that the officer has been identified and that a departmental investigation is underway to determine the full circumstances surrounding the matter.
They wanted me to apologize for coming to get my money back. Don't ask for it. Don't worry about from who. I'm out of here. Can I have my 2,000 rand back, please? My 2,000 rand I want back. My 2,000 rand I want back. The money that I gave now, 2,000 rand for this gentleman here. This lady here took 2,000 rand from my friend, somebody who works for me. Can I have my money back, please? Okay, you don't know anything, but you took the money. Can I have 2,000 rand from you? Please give it to me now. Or else I'll put you on Facebook. Give it to me. Thank you very much. Fuck it. Yeah, you don't know anything about it. But here's 2,000 rand that you took from my guy. Hey? How come you give me the 2,000 rand now? You guys are all taking bribes here. I'm live on Facebook. These people took some money. There's the money here. Okay? I'm not talking to you. Oh, you're not talking to me. Get away from me. Oh, okay. So anybody who wants to arrest me now is welcome to arrest me. But I'm telling you something right now. I'm leaving. And if you want to stop me from leaving, you're welcome. And sir, what police station is this? What? JP. What? You know. They wanted me to apologize for coming to get my money back. Don't ask for it. Don't worry about from who. I'm out of here.